Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option to enable notifications when we are screencasting, where to turn them off, and how to keep our screencasting where our screen is off, and where to find its options with Quick Connect. So first we need to go to Settings. In Settings we need to open Connection and Sharing, and here we have Screencast options. So we have hide notifications here, so hide notifications and incoming calls on the display device. We can turn it on or off using this switch. And here we have screen off casting. So screencasting will continue when our phone's screen is off. We can enable it here, as you can see. And we have also quick connect function here. So quickly discover and connect to nearby devices. We can turn it on or off using this switch. And that's all. Bye.